Popsicle with only 3 ingredients, no condensed milk, no sour cream, and no need for a mold. In a container, I'm going to use 2 large dwarf bananas and start mashing them with a fork. Next, I'll add 3 tablespoons of powdered milk and mix everything thoroughly. Meanwhile, I have some semi-sweet chocolate melted in a container. I'll take 2 disposable cups and add the chocolate to make 2 layers. This chocolate part is optional, guys. If you don't want it, feel free to skip it. After making the first layer, refrigerate it until it sets. Then make the second layer so that it's firm. Now, we'll refrigerate it for the last time and leave it that way. All that's left is to complete the cups with our banana filling with powdered milk. In each cup, just add a popsicle stick. And on top of that, we'll finish with more melted chocolate. Once done, just take it to the freezer and let it freeze. And look, guys, how amazing this banana popsicle is. Super quick, easy, and delicious. Plus, it's very affordable to make. Look at how creamy it is. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe from Pour in the Kitchen. A big hug. Until next time. And thanks.